KY808 helicopter, a kind of brand new product which totally different from ordinary helicopter. Smart one-button takeoff, precise air pressure attitude hold, 2.4G remote control for operation, strong flight endurance, high-definition aerial, smooth real-time picture transmission experience, cool gestures for photos and videos. Have fun and enjoy yourself. Anti-collision and anti-impact. Strong body makes it more sturdy and durable. Home brand new experience. Enjoy different kind of fun.